Driverless cars could pose problems for insurance companies. Joining me now is Becky Yerrick. She's a business reporter with the Chicago Tribune. Good to have you here, Becky.
Thanks, Angie, for having me.
So you took a look at what's happening with Allstate. So what is Allstate telling you about driverless cars?
Well, for the first time, Allstate, in its annual report, they said that driverless cars pose a risk to their business model. And that was really the first year that they ever acknowledged that. And they also said that with cars being so connected, that poses another risk of potential hacking. So those are two things they haven't acknowledged before.
Right, so those risks would be, as you mentioned, hacking. What's the other problem with it?
Well, driverless cars, the problem that they pose to insurance companies is driverless cars are potentially safer for people on the roads. So if there's no accidents, that kind of makes the demand for insurance, that decreases the demand for insurance.
It could actually lower our costs as well. If you know that you're not likely to have an accident, why are you paying so much for insurance?
Exactly. That's one of the problems that it poses.
Now, this was actually a change of gears for Allstate because originally they said driverless cars would be a great thing for business, correct?
Well, they said that they're in a good position, of all insurers, they're in a good position because they're a huge company. And they also said, well, this is going to be good because it's safer for consumers, and that's good. But really, a lot of people are predicting that long term, these driverless cars could really hurt the insurance industry.
Becky, when you were talking to Allstate, did they happen to mention that they would change anything in the way that they do business?
Well, one thing that they're trying to do, and they're doing right now, they have these driver monitoring systems in their car. And if people sign up for those, and if they drive safely, they can already have their premiums reduced. So they're trying to get people to sign up for these driver monitoring programs.
So there's a way to save money right there.
Exactly.
Well, Becky, a pleasure having you here, and I hope that you'll come back.
Thank you.